Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Yes, it's afternoon already. I literally woke up, got dressed, and started on stuff. No time for much of any. Been outside. I'd put it close to 80 out here already. Well, it's not as dark anymore. That was a lot darker earlier. We got the tires here, which have potatoes planted in them. I gotta weed all this crap out of here. Yep. Oh, that's flowers. That green there is flower. All this grass stuff needs to come out. There's cactus somewhere in there. And at the bottom, this grass is coming up. So we need to get the weeds pulled on in. Whoa, there's the sun. My hair's a mess. Been working on. Flower bed's looking pretty good. Got a little bit, like right here to pull. Gotta get all those little stakes out, a little bit around that side. And then you finish thinning this out and clean that out. But other than that, that one's done. This is load number 2 of yard cleanup. Got the brakes and rotors fixed on the Nissan. Working now on this. This is where the 3 out of 4 lug bolts snap was on this. So we got that off. And it's kind of nice they sell just those bolts. So makes that a lot easier. Also today, Dad's wanting to. This is kind of cool. I'd like to actually do it today too. Because there's so much other stuff to do. He's wanting to. I gotta walk around here so I can actually get to where I'm trying to go. I gotta work on unburying it. But we got this project here. And we got a new cam for it. However, in order to put the camshaft in this thing, the camshaft sits way down, of course in the engine, way down in there. In order to efficiently get to it on this thing, we've got to pull the entire motor out of the Camaro. And we've also got, Ryan and I went and bought, since we had to steal a battery out of this to get his Audi going at the time, so we had a vehicle. We got an 850 cold crank, 1000 cold crank amp. We got some gold-plated, really good battery terminals. So we're gonna switch that over. I put almost $25 just in those battery terminals alone. I put about $250 in batteries between the two. They're both about $125 a piece, I believe. So we got those. Then it's just a lot of body work, and grind it down to the metal. This being the worst of it right here. This is terrible. There's actual holes. It looks like they freaking shot the vehicle. But gonna do that. What I'd love to do is, while he has that pulled out, I want to talk to him and try to get the okay to start cleaning the entire inside of this thing, get it all cleaned up, ready to paint it. And holy crap. Look at all the freaking beetles. That's insane. So yeah, gotta do that. Already cleaned out the dog water bowls, got them all emptied, cleaned, and refilled. I gotta move all this stuff. All needs moved somewhere. I gotta get my hands cleaned up so I can make some sun tea. Get all the stuff moved so we can get the Camaro out of here. And yeah, plenty to do. But I try to enjoy the rest of the day and yeah, see what I can get into, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, guys. Got the lift and stand brought down. Had to dig through the closet to find stuff to use. But it's cooled down. Holy crap. I put it breeze being 50, maybe? Oh my god. The cloud looks nasty. It's changed direction too. All of a sudden the different bias is coming back. But freaking cold out quick though. Anyways, I'm gonna pull the wheel in and then my shower and something I can start working on some game stuff. Farming Simulator. As soon as this uploads, I'm gonna restart my computer. The wheels are way too tight for some reason right now. So I got the larger type, like G25 wheel here. It's just way too tight.